Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the best ways to make money online while having fun. If you're looking to make some extra cash while having a blast, you've come to the right place. Imagine turning your gaming hobby into a lucrative side hustle. Sounds amazing, right? Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our money-making videos. We're always bringing you the latest and greatest tips to boost your income. And drop a comment below letting me know where you're watching from. I love hearing from our global community, and it helps me tailor content just for you. I'm planning to make region-specific videos, and I'd love to hear from you. Your input is invaluable and helps shape the content we create. Alright, let's get into it. Today we have something super exciting lined up for you. Today I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic app called Game Tester. This app is a game changer, literally and figuratively. This app will actually pay you real money just for playing games. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn while you play. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a dream, it's a reality that many are already enjoying. Well, it's real, and people all over the globe are cashing in. From the US to Europe, Asia to Africa, gamers everywhere are turning their passion into profit. Game Tester has been getting rave reviews online, and it's easy to see why. The app is user-friendly, the games are fun, and the rewards are real. Here's how it works. You sign up, and they'll send you different games to play on your mobile phone. It's as simple as that. You're not just playing for fun, you're collaborating with game developers, giving them your valuable opinions, and shaping the future of gaming. Your feedback helps improve the games and makes you an integral part of the development process. Imagine playing the next big hit before anyone else and getting paid for it. You get exclusive access to new games, and your input can make a real difference. You'll receive rewards and exclusive offers just for sharing your thoughts. How cool is that? These rewards can range from cash to gift cards and even exclusive in-game items. Getting started is super simple. The app is designed to be user-friendly so you can jump right in without any hassle. Download the Game Tester app, create an account, and start testing games. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. You'll be on your way to earning money while doing something you love. It's a win-win situation. You get to play games and earn at the same time. So what do you think? Are you ready to turn your gaming time into earning time? Have you tried Game Tester before? If so, what was your experience like? I'm curious to know how it worked out for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps others decide if this is the right opportunity for them. I'd love to hear your experiences and maybe even feature some of your stories in future videos. Sharing your journey can inspire others to give it a try. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the best ways to make money online. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, happy gaming and happy earning. Keep playing, keep earning, and keep having fun. See you in the next video.